Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad to have you here. This video is a part of our meal prep series where we talk about easy and fast ideas to make meal prepping much more easier, to save time and energy as well as money. So today we're going to talk about how I use apple cores and what I use them for, how I save them. When buying apples, I usually opt to buy organic apples just because I want to avoid the pesticides and the chemicals that are used in non-organic apples, or we go to collect apples in bulk whenever the apple season actually comes in. And here in Finland it's really nice because there's a lot of apple trees around the area, especially in certain forests, so we always go apple picking around late summer, early autumn. So last year I collected a lot of apples and I started just cutting up, using them in pies, stews, soups, cakes, so many different things that you can use apple for. We even juiced like a whole bunch of them and we saved the apple cores. So we saved the apple cores in either a bag or a freezable container into the freezer, and they last for a very long time. So as soon as I cut the apples, in order to avoid them being brown as much as possible, I save them into the freezer. One of the best ways to use apple peels is to do apple cider vinegar. So it's very easy to do. I will share in the next video how to do apple cider vinegar using the apple cores right here. Other ideas for using the apple cores is to use them in making apple juice, also putting them in smoothies. Could be another idea. Also making crock-pot apple butter, which we already have a crock-pot and a pressure cooker as well as a slow cooker. Beautiful apple butter can be made using these apple cores. You can also throw them into a shake. You can put them in the compost. You can make apple syrup with them. You can even do a face mask with them by using the cores, pureeing them, removing the seeds, adding a little bit of honey and then applying it to your face. This really helps to lighten and tighten the area. So you leave it on for 10 minutes and then you rinse them, and don't forget that they do actually smell really amazing. If you've also got birds, you can feed them to your birds. You can make so much different things with them. Another recipe that I also make is using the apple cores is just putting a bunch of apple cores that I've de-seeded into this slow cooker or into a actual pot on the stovetop in low heat and just simmering it and then eating the leftover puree. This is really good for the gut. It's really good for people who have digestive issues, and it's also been one of the best remedies for leaky gut. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do let me know if you're interested in knowing more about different meal prep ideas. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.